Hey YouTubers, it's me back in this beat. Hey YouTubers, it's me Tati, and I am back again with a new video tonight. Tonight was the day of my birthday, so I just now ended my day, and like I couldn't go to sleep before I recorded for y'all because I have a bomb makeup right now and my hair is on fleek still, so I'm like, you know what, let me just record it for the one time. So I kind of said on Instagram that I was gonna upload a video of me dyeing my hair to this color, and a lot of people said yes, so I said I was gonna do it, and here I am doing it. So this is a tutorial on how to dye 613 hair to a color within just a span of minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes I'd say, and it's a pretty efficient, fast way in which like I highly recommend because mad people are doing it and it's coming out bomb. These colors, lace is coming intact, and I feel like I should have shared. Like I should share with y'all too. I recorded myself. Well, my best friend helped me record everything while I was doing the whole process and the styling and everything. And there's a couple pointers I will be giving at the end of the video that I think should be taken seriously if you want to obtain the color that you want from the hair dye. That's about it. So I'm about to just proceed to the videos, and I hope y'all like this. Like y'all see the shades, like y'all see that, like the ends of the lavender roots, and y'all see that body, like whoosh, y'all see that body, like y'all see that lace intact, like okay. So we're gonna first start with the hair. As you guys see, we're gonna start with this, then we need our hair dyes, the soft lavender, the lavender, and 2 bottles of lavender in this. We need Got2Be to put the Got2Be spray throughout the hair so the dye won't go through the lace. And we need a container so we can put in the hot water and also the hair dye with the wig. So here I am, oops. So here I am washing the hair. Honestly, the hair lathered up the shampoo pretty fast, you know. And it didn't stink when I first got it, so that's a plus. And the reason why I washed the hair is because it concentrates better. The dye concentrates better in the water when you wash it. So I've chosen to do that, and it's pretty soft. It's not, you know, difficult to manage. So now I have the hot water over here, and I have a comb right over here. Pour both dyes into the hot water. I'm gonna take this. Now we're gonna take this, we're gonna go around with it, we're gonna stir it. I'm gonna take this hair, now the hair, and I'm gonna start putting it in slowly. Take the ends. Wow, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Now we're gonna let the hair sit down for 2 minutes, 2 minutes exact, and then we're gonna come back to it. So now I'm gonna take some Sheer Volume shampoo by Pantene, and I'm going to wash the hair. Look, this is how the hair came out to be like. And the reason why I like to shampoo it before and after, to be honest, is because for one, it gets the color better when you wash it before, And then like after, you just want to take any excess hair dye off. This hair cannot be beautiful. Like what? And by the way, always wash the hair with cold water. This is the hair, y'all. Like, y'all see the detail? Y'all see details. Like, it's giving me the Nicki Minaj vibes, you know? So this is the end of my video, y'all. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up or whatever. Before I end the video, I'm gonna give y'all a pointer that if you're going to do this, please keep in mind to put in more hair dye than water, just because you want the concentration of hair dye to actually get into the hair and not just color the water. Often people put like 3 drops of hair dye in a whole thing of water and like nothing happens, but that's because you're not putting anything in. Just dump the whole bottle, in my opinion. That's what I did. I dumped the whole bottle and everything caught up in like 5 minutes. If you want to stay in there all day, then do as many as you want. Thank you for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe, whatever, turn notifications on, and also follow my Instagram. I'm going to leave the link below, as well as my hair information and the hair dye information and what kind of shampoo and whatever I used. I'm going to leave it down below in the description box. And thank you for watching us.